In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with Google Sheets. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account, so you're on the main dashboard. Starting from your account ensures you have the right permissions and the correct workspace selected before you build anything. From the left-hand menu, open Automations. This is where you'll create the logic that sends data from GoHighLevel to your spreadsheet. Create a new workflow. You can start from scratch for full control, or pick a template if you want a head start with common use cases. Templates are great for speed. Starting from scratch gives you clarity on every setting. Add a trigger to tell the workflow when to run. Choose the event that makes sense for your process, like when a new contact is added or a form is submitted. Think about where the data originates. If you want only qualified leads, you can narrow the trigger to a specific form or pipeline stage so you don't push unnecessary data to your sheet. Next, add an action. This is what the workflow will do after the trigger fires. Choose your integration method. If you're comfortable with technical setups, select a webhook to send data directly to an endpoint that updates your sheet. If you prefer a no-code route, pick an integration tool like Zapier, which has a Google Sheets connector. Either way, the goal is the same. Pass the fields from GoHighLevel into your spreadsheet reliably. Now connect Google Sheets. Open your Google account, then create a new spreadsheet or choose an existing one. Give your sheet a clear name and add column headers that match the data you plan to receive. Keeping headers consistent, like first name, last name and email, makes mapping much easier later. Map your data fields so everything lands in the right column. Match GoHighLevel fields such as name and email to the corresponding columns in your sheet. Keep data types consistent. For example, use plain text for names and standardized formats for dates. Run a test. Trigger the workflow with sample data and confirm that each value arrives in the correct column. If anything looks off, adjust the mapping or field names and test again. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If you're using Google Sheets, check the link there as well. Turn on your workflow to make it live. Finally, verify the sync. Watch your Google Sheet as new events occur and confirm that new rows are being added as expected. That's it. Your integration is up and running. Thanks for watching.